In this video, I'm going to show you how to take partials on cTrader. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top left above your chart and enable Trade Watch, which will give you this option at the bottom to actually see your open positions. Now, from here, when you actually have a position open, you can right click on it and click on Modify Position, or just double click it and it's going to open up this Modify Order or Position window. Now, from within here, you can then take partials the following way. So let me open this one where I have 5 lots of BTC USD. There we go. Then you can go and keep it at the current direction, or you could basically change the direction. In case you're in buy, you could go to sell and vice versa. And of course, whenever you do that, you could go and, for example, change this. So if I put from 5 to 2 over here, I can close 3 BTC. If I go and put it to 3 over here, I can close 2, etc. And that way I can basically take partials. Now, as I said, you could go and of course change direction over here, for example, as well. So currently I'm on buy. If I go to sell and change direction, I could go and, for example, sell 2 of these lots. There we go. I'm going to sell them. And as you can see, it went through and I have 2 of them left over here. And that's essentially how you can take partials on cTrader. You just double click and then you set over here and then buy or sell directly with this button. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.